Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll be testing the keyboard and mouse while playing the PUBG game. Is it possible in the Poco X3 or not? This is a Poco X3 smartphone, friends. And right now, I'll be connecting the keyboard and mouse to the device using the wireless dongle USB, as you can see here. So let's see whether you can actually play the PUBG game while using the mouse and keyboard at same time or not. Because this is one of the question which was requested by few of the users long time ago, and finally today I got some time to do this kind of video on this one. And if you want to know what live wallpaper I'm using exactly in my videos, and even for this kind of TikTok wallpaper, and try to check the links in description for playlist of the wallpapers. Not only playlist of the wallpapers, there is a playlist of the Poco X3 as well. So I am reaching close to 200 videos on the Poco X3 device, and definitely make sure to subscribe and check the playlist for more details for the wallpapers and each and every smartphone. So try to check below, and let's get started first by connecting the USB Type-C adapter. So here is a USB Type-C adapter. Let me try to connect the USB Type-C adapter here. As soon as you connect, you do get this kind of mouse arrow mark here, as you can see here, the small arrow mark. And let me try to keep on the small mobile stand here. So let's see friends, even I am very curious to test whether the PUBG will be supported with the keyboard or not. So if the PUBG is supported actually, then that will be the very good advantage while playing the PUBG game and using the mouse and keyboard. So which is usually I like playing the PUBG game with the mouse and keyboard mostly. So let me try to see whether it's possible actually while connecting the keyboard and mouse or not. I think can we increase the volume? Let me try to increase the volume using the keyboard. Yes, it's possible to increase the volume using the keyboard, as you can see here friends. We try to click here. As you can see, the mouse is working fine without any problem, but only problem is that the arrow marks and AWST doesn't work either. So let me see what will happen if I try to start the game. So if you know any other method, if it doesn't work, to make it work, if you know any other method, try to comment below friends. So what are the possible ways of making it work? Even I just want to try on this Poco X3 device, so whether it's working or not. So let's see. So first thing is that, oh, it's actually working. As you can see friends, I'm not using any other keyboard. Let me try to mute everything. As you can see, it's working fine without any problem. AWST, it's working, and the arrow marks are not working. The arrow marks are not working. And let me try to use this arrow marks. And let me try to do enter and space for jumping. I'm not sure which are the other buttons which are working here actually. So none of them are activated. Only AWST is activated, front, back, as you can see here. If you want to change the direction, you need to use the mouse to change the direction. If you want to go to the other way around. So just by moving the mouse, the direction doesn't change. You need to click the mouse and then you need to move the direction, as you can see here. This is the way how it works. So you need to click and you need to hold, and then you need to move it. So just by normal way moving the mouse, it doesn't work like that. So when you use this kind of scene here, so let me see how can you actually play with this kind of scenario or not. Let's see friends, is it practically possible or not? Because some of the buttons they are not working properly. So if you want to activate anything, you need to use the arrow mark to select that option. In case if you want to send the message, you need to every time click it. So this is a way you can change. At least this front and back buttons are working fine. So let's see friends whether you can actually play it properly or not, this kind of gaming. So let me try to zoom in a little bit. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me regularly for more this kind of interesting testing videos which I am doing on the Poco X3 device. So this is kind of really weird friends, because I wish I could have just moved the direction just by moving the mouse cursor along. So that would be very much advantage. So every time you need to swipe it. So in case if you want to beat someone, you need to click the arrow mark on them to beat it. that's a very disappointment. So the right click is a back button here, so which doesn't have any kind of scope magnification. So in the normal PC games, the left one will be the fire option and the right one will be the zooming for the scope one. But right now this is not the scenario in this case, so it doesn't work like that. So let me go to that robot here. Let me try hitting him. So you need to use this kind of arrow mark to beat it. It's kind of very difficult, friends, to use this arrow mark and fight. So now you need to select. So let me try to take one gun and try it, how it actually works with the gun. Let's see. So if you want to score, if you want to zoom in, you need to select the option, and if you want to fire, every time you need to select here. So left and right doesn't work like that, fire and scope. So this, I think it's not that helpful at all in terms of using this kind of way. There should be some kind of shortcuts. So this is overall quick review of playing the PUBG game using the mouse and keyboard, friends. And definitely, in case if you know any other method of playing this PUBG game, so do let me know in the comments below. As I said, I tried all the buttons, at least for the reload option. The reload option also doesn't work properly. So let me try to keep on running and let me try with other buttons. So none of the buttons are working. Space, enter, shift, nothing. Control, alt. So no buttons are working, friends, just only AWST of the keyboard is working fine. And this is a problem, another problem with the mouse as well. So you need to every time change the direction to press and hold. So if there is any other method, that would be very much helpful here in this kind of scenario, because the Poco X3 has very good big screen display and dual stereo speaker setup. So this will be the perfect combo to play this kind of mouse and keyboard in the Poco X3 device. As you can see, friends. So thank you for watching this video, and for more videos make sure to follow me regularly, and see you in the next video, friends, for more interesting videos. And thank you for watching. Bye.